Creamy chicken pasta. Ingredients: 1 lb, 450 g. Pasta, penne, fettuccine, or any pasta you like. 2 tablespoons olive oil. lb, 450 g. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, sliced thin, salt and black pepper to taste. Teaspoon garlic powder. Teaspoon Italian seasoning. Tablespoons butter 3. Cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup heavy cream. 2 cup chicken broth. Cup grated Parmesan cheese. Fresh parsley, chopped. Optional for garnish. Red pepper flakes, optional for a bit of heat. Instructions: 1. Cook the pasta according to package instructions. Drain and set aside. 2. Season the chicken with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. 3. Cook the chicken. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chicken and cook until it's golden and cooked through, about 5-7 minutes per side. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. 4. Make the sauce. In the same skillet, melt the butter and add the minced garlic. Sauté for 1-2 minutes until fragrant. Add the heavy cream and chicken broth, stirring well. Let it simmer for a few minutes to thicken slightly. 5. Add Parmesan. Stir in the Parmesan cheese until it's melted and the sauce is creamy. Add salt and pepper to taste. 6. Combine everything. Return the chicken to the skillet along with the cooked pasta. Toss everything together to coat the pasta in the sauce. If you'd like a bit of heat, add red pepper flakes. 7. Garnish and serve. Top with fresh parsley and extra Parmesan if desired. Serve warm. Enjoy your creamy chicken pasta.